Hi, my name is Brian Mitchell and I'm the Director of Enrollment Management here at Boys Latin. We're hosting our annual open house on Sunday, October 8th at 10 a.m. and we hope you'll join us on Lake Avenue. Right now, I'm standing in front of one of the many beautiful new spaces in our upper school. This is our brand new art studio. We recently renovated the entire upper school, including a 3-story addition that has brand new classrooms, a beautiful art space, and many gathering spaces. Right now, I'm in one of our brand new physics labs with our honors electricity and magnetism class. Today, our boys are building mini Van de Graaff generators. This is just one of many examples of our high-level collaborative projects that our boys are involved with each and every day. This is just one of the many great new spaces we have in the upper school, and we hope you'll come visit us on October 8th. Check it out. This is just a sneak peek of the new spaces in the upper school. We hope you'll join us on October 8th for our annual open house to see all that the upper school has to offer. Bring your family to meet our family.